In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM response channel in Slack for real estate. In real estate, speed matters. The faster your team sees and responds to a new lead, the better your chances of turning interest into a conversation and a conversation into a deal. That's why setting up a dedicated Slack channel for CRM lead alerts can make such a big difference. It gives your agents one clear place to monitor incoming opportunities without those alerts getting buried in everyday team chat. To begin, open Slack either in the desktop app or in your browser and go into your main workspace. On the left-hand side, find the Channels section. Hover over it, click the plus icon, and choose Create a Channel. Give the channel a simple lowercase name with no spaces, something clear and easy to recognize like a real estate leads response channel. Add a short internal description so your team understands the purpose of the channel at a glance. Keep the channel public so everyone on the team can see incoming leads and respond quickly. Then click Create and you can skip inviting teammates for now. Next, open your automation platform in a new browser tab, such as Zapier or another similar integration tool, and create a new automation. In the first step, choose your trigger. Search for your real estate CRM and select it from the app list. Then choose the event that represents a new incoming lead, such as a new lead or a new contact being created. After that, connect your CRM account securely and test the trigger so the system pulls in a sample lead record. This test is important because it gives you real data to map in the next step. Now set up the destination, add the action step, search for Slack, and choose it as your action app. For the event, select Send Channel Message. Then connect your Slack workspace and approve access so the automation platform can post messages into your selected channel. Once Slack is connected, choose the channel you just created. Then move to the message text field and build the alert layout using the lead data from your CRM. Include the client's name, contact details, target neighborhood, maximum budget, lead source, and a direct CRM profile link. Keep the message clean and easy to scan so agents can understand the lead within seconds. It also helps to add a short internal note reminding agents to follow up quickly and log updates in the CRM. With that in place, your real estate team will have a focused, real-time response channel built for speed, visibility, and better lead handling inside Slack.